Hi friends. Today a subscriber from YouTube brought a car audio amplifier for repair. As the client says, when power is supplied, the fuses burn out. Let's disassemble the amplifier and see what's wrong. The first thing that caught my eye were the two burnt resistors at the output. One is on top and the other is on the bottom. It looks like each channel has one resistor and one capacitor. I also need to check all the power transistors and dual diodes. The markings on these elements are legible, which means that if they fail, I can easily figure out what element it is. I'll get to work on this now. And if I find something else burnt out, I'll show you. Here we have two MOSFETs. Then I unsoldered two resistors, one for 4.7 ohms. Unfortunately, since they were burnt out, they had incomprehensible markings. Unfortunately, they are not visible in the photos on the internet. Using logic, I realized that these are most likely the same as those that are next to each other. Two whole resistors for 4.7 ohms. Which means that those that burned out are also 4.7 ohms. I also found a faulty capacitor for 25 volts and 470 microfarads. Now I'll show you where it is. The black marking strip indicates that there is a minus pin and a plus leg on the other side. So far, there are two resistors and one swollen capacitor. The transistor tester identifies it as a diode. As you can see, the capacitor has lost its capacity and shows 270 microfarads instead of 470 microfarads. Instead, I will solder one with exactly the same characteristics as it was. I also removed the excess solder in one place. For some reason there was too much of it there, and it seems the short circuit has disappeared at the input. And now I connect the amplifier to my power supply and the current consumption shows 450 milliamps and the diode lights up. Let's try to start the amplifier. As you can hear, the amplifier starts up and works. I checked all 4 channels. There are no extraneous noises. Everything works perfectly so far. It consumes 1.2 amperes of current when working. My power supply unit cannot give more. Therefore, there is no point in connecting a powerful speaker here. A small speaker is enough. If there is noise, it will be heard immediately. I will also show you what resistance the resistors I wrote should have. Suddenly yours burns out and you will not be able to determine the marking. Perhaps this information will be useful to you for repairs. I did not find any circuit diagrams for this amplifier on the internet. Done? Friends. The amplifier works and you can give it to the client. The client came from a YouTube channel. He lives in the same place where I do. He brought the amplifier for repair, and as you can see, everything works. Let's check it again. Maximum peaks of current consumption reach 1.3 amperes. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs.